Good day, everyone. Today, I will share my reflection about the Jollibee Chicken Joy commercial featuring the Mulak family. What caught my attention in this commercial is how the family spent time together while eating. They are not only focused on the food, but also talking, sharing stories, laughing, and enjoying each other's company. This showed that mealtime can be more than just eating. It can also be a time for family members to connect and understand one another. For me, the commercial shows effective communication because the family members listen to each other and openly share their thoughts and feelings. There is no shouting, ignoring, or judging. Instead, they create a comfortable environment where everyone can participate in the conversation. This is very different from the communication problems shown in the most disturbing dinner where anger and misunderstanding create distance between the father and his son. I also realized that communication is not only about speaking, listening, paying attention, and spending time with others are equal important. Sometimes simple conversation during mealtime can help family members know what is happening in each other's life. The commercial also reminds me that Filipino family value togetherness and quality time. We may all become busy with school, work, phones, and other responsibilities, but we should still make time for the people who matter to us. A simple mealtime can become an opportunity to strengthen our relationship. Overall, my reflection is that a meal becomes more meaningful when it's shared with people we love. Good communication does not require expensive activities. Sometimes we all need is a table, food, time, and willingness to listen. For me, family bonding starts with simple conversation. Sometimes the best conversation help happened around dining table.